What's going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Tell me what this audio and quality looks like. I got a new camera. Here, let me show you. See that? Sorry, this mirror's kind of dirty, but that's my camera. It's a DSLR, and I'm gonna start vlogs with it. So, yeah. Let me thumbnail. It's so heavy though. Like I have to like hold it all the way around like this. It's so heavy. But so I'm gonna go see if Tyler's home, and later I'm going to Nathan's. So stay tuned. It's Lego. Crappy day outside. Try. Saw it. Okay, Lego. It's raining now and I'm trying to keep my camera out of the rain. I'm so freaking retarded for bringing it out in the rain. Okay, so Tyler wasn't home. And yeah. So, you know what I hate about when I vlog is I have a double chin. Cause I vlog like this. I go like this, and I hold the camera down here, and so my double chin shows. And so yeah, it sucks. Okay. So let me fill you in on what we're supposed to do today with Nathan. Today we're going to his house, and supposedly, oh my god, I'm sorry. Today we're supposed to be going to Nathan's house, and oh my god, why is it? And so we're gonna go do fun stuff. We're gonna go around night, go ding dong ditching, hang around at his place. Hopefully it's a good night, and I'll vlog the whole thing. So this should be a good vlog. But in the meanwhile, I think I'm just gonna sit back and relax until later. But currently it is 9:58, and so oh crap, and so that means that I'm going to Nathan's at like 4. And so I have a long time to wait. I might go ride my bike in a bit, but I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, it's been about an hour, not an hour, like 30 minutes. And I'm so freaking excited because Tyler, he just texted me, and we've been texting for a bit, and he said that he got a chopper. Or not a chopper, but like a crotch rocket, sort of. Here, I'll show you a picture. Okay, so here's the picture. If it focuses. There we go. That's Tyler being weird on his bike. But that's his bike. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so he's gonna be home in about 20 minutes, and he also got a new trailer for it, which is sick. But look at that thing, it's freaking like a what's it called? Oh, I forget the name of it. Here, he said what it is. Oh yeah, a chopper. Looks like a chopper. Now it's the waiting game. I'm waiting for Tyler to get back. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably just sit here and watch YouTube. So let's get it. Apparently there's cops at the end of the street. And so I'm gonna go check it out at Tyler's place. So I'll keep you updated. Tyler said he was coming over. And he brought his wife. Woo! He just got that. Freaking sick. Woo!
Okay, so we just went and rode my motorcycle that we just got like an hour ago. Pretty fun.
Okay, Tyler, explain what is happening with this gun.
We got a baby stuck in it and we're trying to get it out.
Wait, show him. Down the chamber. Wait, let me focus it. You guarantee you can't see it. But it's in that little chamber and we can't get it out. And so... Alright, you feel retarded. Just kidding. So, so we're gonna go into the shed and see if we can have any like gun cleaning kits for it, to, like stick through the tube. So let's go. Dude, are you stupid? Just go through the back door. Go through the door. Oh my god. Are you serious? Dude, what? Wizard! Okay, open up it. Dude, the cameras. It's this one. Silver? Silver. Oh yeah, there's the dirt bike. I'm getting this fixed in tomorrow. Like, no, like, not fixed. I'm taking it in tomorrow. The guy's picking it up tomorrow. And so, this bad boy's gonna be mine. It's KX 200. And so, yeah, it's two-stroke. But, did you fix it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I did it, actually. It works great.
Dude, look at this quality. Holy crap.
I know quality of my face, not camera.
No, dude,
The
let
camera
me see your face. Let me see your face.
But anyway, we couldn't find anything to fit down that because everything was too big. But it's still stuck in there, but we'll find a way to get it out.
So, Lego.
Yep.
Oh, dude, I just farted.
That's nice.
Oh, now he goes to the back door.
I went through it last time. You told me to go around.
Oh my. Dude, I hate you.
Why do you hate me for telling the truth?
Oh, I get stomach aches in the summer, or when it, or I get.
When you lie.
No.
Wow.
No, but I got a stomach ache because it was like 80 degrees yesterday.
Whoa.
Or the day before. 80 degrees one day, and now it's like 60 degrees, and so like when I go from hot to cold, I get really bad stomach aches. And so, yeah. Wait, let me get good focusing. Dude, are you serious? Stop being gay. I hate holding it like this.
Sorry, I got you.
It's
I got
so
you,
big.
fam.
Okay. No, you can't look through that. It's a video.
I know. Just go.
Okay, so I made it to Nathan's house, and now I don't know what we're gonna do. Show yourself.
What's up, dude?
Wow, dude, I didn't know you were so good at blowing. You must have experience.
Holy crap! It hit a tree and then stopped. Hit that yellow tree over there. My mom's out there.
Is my nice instrument?
Clogged the drain.
That's in. I may or may have not used this because I thought it was for breeze. Oh, it's shaving cream. Oh, dude, it stinks.
Well, I didn't know it's not.
Why do you have a towel in there? Why do you have a towel in there?
Oh yeah, because that used to be humid.
What?
That used to be super humid. So, oh yeah, this is fixed. So, let's
Wow, you're an expert plumber, dude. That's what you should be when you grow up. Oh wait, didn't you say that's what you wanted to be? Okay, let's go do parkour.
Yeah.
Okay, no, get on my shoulder.
Why, you gonna flip me over?
No, it's... Watch, get on.
Yep.
Are you okay? Oh my god. Show me. Take your hand off of me. Lift it.
Okay.
It's good.
Move it.
It's good. Dude, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't know you were gonna fold up like a fortune cookie.
My nose hurts too.
Ow. I didn't know you were gonna fold up like a fortune cookie.
You made me kick my laptop. I thought it was straight up broken.
I know. That's what I was scared of. Hey, I got it on video. Do you want to watch it?
Yes.
Oh, dude, my hand hurts so bad. You have no idea. Okay, so I'm done. Or I'm not done, but it's a while now. It's been a while. It's dark outside now. And so now, me and Nathan will probably just go outside and do fun stuff, but I don't know. I'll see if I'll vlog. I might not. We'll see. Okay, so look what Nathan's Dude, show me what you're wearing.
Because I was cold out.
Wait.
It's 11:30 and we're about to go outside and just ding dong ditch. We're so hyped. Like,
Yeah, but why are you wearing gloves?
oh, because I'm gonna use them for climbing a fence if I don't get splinters.
And you don't get splinters.
Sometimes you do.
Lego.
Dylan's asleep.
So, it's the next day, or next morning, it's light out, and we just had breakfast, and now I don't know what we're gonna do. I think I'm getting picked up in like 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to the Springs today, and so Tyler just knocked on the door, but I'm going to the Springs today with Tyler, and so let's go. Dude, you got the stuff? Wait, show me. Hey, you.
Turn those sensies on, please. Sean's getting crazy. Getting crazy.
Try. What are those? Gotta get the keys. And they're not there. So that's just great. Now we're going.
But Michael's not like that, you know? Yeah. Well, and that's what Jason said. I was like,
We're going to the Springs.
so I used to have like a 3,000 square foot house.
Oh, nice.
So so I have like.
We made it to the springs.
$126